So what did you just put in the mixer?
I just put in some cookies, sugar, and butter.
And what are we doing to it?
Creaming it.
Creaming it together. That's right. Good job.
Thanks.
RJ, what are we doing next?
Mixing
The eggs,
the eggs and the
vanilla, salt,
vanilla,
and baking soda.
Salt and baking soda.
Okay, go ahead. Start turning it on 1 at first. Move your head. Now you can turn up to 2. Now you can go to 3. Until it's nice and smooth.
That doesn't look smooth yet.
It gets there. Then we gotta add the baking soda, salt, and flour. A little bit at a time. And then we always make sure to scrape the end to make sure everything gets incorporated. Then we add in the chocolate chips and mix until well blended. Or you could prefer to, if you prefer, you can fold them in and everything. And then you stop.